Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to install gitbash on Windows 11 machine. So open your favorite browser and from here go to gitbash and click on downloads. From here, you have to select Windows and click on here to download. So after once the download is completed, go to your downloads folder and click on the setup. Click on yes. Next, I'll go with the default path. Next. So it will take a little time. So the installation is complete. Now I'll click on finish. So it will open up the installed bash and the release notes of the bash. So good luck guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below. Subscribe the channel, like the video.